YouTube channel. My name's Judy, and today I'm going to be walking you through some new page kits that Creative Memories just came out with. Now, let me explain a couple things because a bunch of people are confused, and I just want to make sure I got it straight. I hope I do. Here's my information. Let me put myself a little bit smaller here. Trying out a new recording system too, so I hope you like it. So here's my information for Creative Memories with Shop With Me. It's Creative Memories /CM/ Stampin' Forever. My business page and my customer group. So you can screenshot that if you'd like to. This layout is on the bright side. This is the first page kit that goes into the album kit that they're coming out with on Monday. And the album kit contains the album, the pages that you slide your layouts into, 48 pages, which would be decorative paper and cut apart papers, I believe, which would make 16 2-page layouts. So you could complete a whole album. It includes the sticker sheets and embellishments too. So it's all-inclusive album. The price is $149. The album's $40. 16-page kits at $6 each is, I don't know, my math is not real good right now. Plus you get all the stickers and the embellishments. So it's a really good deal to include a whole album. All you need is scissors and probably adhesive. Foam tape would be good too. Ink, you know. You could make it as more decorative as you would like, but it is really nice for beginners to get everything done, for people who just want to get an album done as fast as they can but have it look really, really nice, or someone who just wants to, you know, have something already created. They can add their own decorative elements to it to make it even better. So I'm really looking forward to it. And you can get 3 different albums. You can get a pink raspberry, a blue, or a green. So I will show you those here. But I just wanted to get this out for you. I already did this. I already did a recording of me putting this together, but the sound didn't record. So I'm doing this again. So the nice thing about these page kits, there's going to be another launch that will be for, this is the 3rd one. The next one will be Natural Beginnings, and I believe that'll be the end of January. And this is more of neutral tones. And then the Global Getaway one will be in February, maybe the middle of February or beginning. I'm not quite sure, because they have to let us know. They haven't let us know for certain the dates yet. So let me show you, but you can see the layout here is the exact same as this one and the exact same as this one. All the layouts are the same in the albums. For each of the layouts, the cuts are the same, I should say. So all there are is different papers. So it makes it very easy to do them. Let me show you how easy it is to put it together. Since I already did on the bright side, we'll put that aside. We'll put aside the Global Getaway and we'll do Natural Beginnings. I already cut the one paper that has all the cut aparts. And this is the base. And they're white on the back. So if you don't like, you know, some of the layouts that are in the album kit, you can change it up. You don't have to use these, right? So this is the sticker sheet that you get with each of the layouts. Has a sticker sheet. And then it has these mats for the photos. And then this is a mat for a photo, journaling box. a mat for a photo, and another journaling box. And then you would add the stickers. So you have your border stickers here that would go down the sides. And the sticker layout you would see here, of course, you can add and change to it. This is very plain, so adding just one color to enhance your photos would be absolutely gorgeous. It has some greenery here, so maybe you could add some flowers, or it has some blue, so maybe some blue icons or something that matches your photos would be absolutely gorgeous. So let's look at the Global Getaway. And I'm not sure what color the albums are that will go with these kits. The only way to get the 48 papers that make the 16 layouts is to buy the whole album kit, which is a very good deal if you ask me. The amount of money that we can spend on different elements to go with your layouts is, and the price of everything is going up so much. It's crazy. So let's see. This is the next one. I hope I have that right. No, it's upside down. I can see the writing on the map. Does that look better? Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic, okay. So again, you would have these long pieces, and they have the numbers on them to designate where they go. And it shows on the directions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3, 4. They're the same. It doesn't matter. You could put the journaling box over here and this one over here. It's, kind of the same. All right. So the stickers are here. And, oh, these are like a notebook sticker. How cool is that? So I'm not going to put these together right now because I'm probably going to want to enhance them on my own. But as advisors, we were able to get these early just to be able to show our customers. So there you go. That's what these kits look like. I think they're going to be great and help you accomplish getting an album done so fast. What they're doing with this is just incredible, and I hope that it helps people get into scrapbooking. And with the generation we have now where everything is so time constrained, we have so much to do and we have so little time, that you could do this album in a weekend. It would just be amazing. So I'm very excited to see what's in these kits and get my hands on them and try them out myself, because I have a lot of pictures and pages to do myself. So let's see what else is coming out. The thin 3D foam tape. If you want to get your hands on that, I can't wait. It's in a roll this time. Very economically priced. And there's 2 new punches that are coming out. There will be a whole kit that comes out with the layouts that's on the bright side, so you can get just the regular type of paper packs and embellishment packs that we normally get with a release that's not included in these. You just get the papers, the tone on tone, stickers, embellishments that are all different than what's in the album kit. It'll be a great, fun, bright and cheery collection. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions or need any information, please let me know. And I hope you try out these new things, so you may get a lot of your scrapbooking done very quickly. Take care. Have a wonderful day.